Next we have section 6.2, which is parallelograms. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral. Remember, quadrilateral is a four-sided figure with both pairs of opposite sides parallel. Remember, parallel lines are two lines that do not cross each other. Okay, so here's a property of parallelograms. Besides both sides being parallel, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. Opposite sides are congruent. So I'm up here on this one. Opposite sides are congruent. We also have opposite angles congruent. So opposite sides, opposite angles. We also have consecutive angles, or angles that are right next to each other, are supplementary. So I can either do these two angles will add up to 180, or these two angles down here will add up to 180. And you guys always obviously have access to these slides, so you guys can always look back at the properties. And the last one is if it has one right angle, then it's going to have four right angles. And then it's going to be a square or a rectangle. Okay, so we have those properties. And basically now we got two more. If a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its diagonals bisect each other. Okay, so we look there and we see that they bisect each other, meaning that, and actually I'm going to name this segment here F, or this line, that point. So that would mean that AF, so AF is congruent to CF, and BF is congruent to DF. So that's bisecting. Also, if it's a parallelogram, then the diagonal will split it into two congruent triangles. So if we were to mark everything, we would do here, we would do here, we would have a nice side-side-side triangle based on the properties of a quadrilateral. Here are some problems that we might have. Find the value of the variable. Well, we know that that's bisected, so those two are congruent. So 3z minus 4 equals z plus 5. I'm going to add 4. 3z equals z plus 9. I'm going to subtract z. Of course, we're going to get a decimal here. Oh well. 2z equals 9. Divide both sides by 2. Z equals 4.5. Okay, we got two more diagonal problems here. Okay, we're just going to set them equal to each other. So we'll do this first one together. Y plus 1. I like to mark my pictures. Equals 26. Very simple. Y equals 25. And then I have x minus 2 equals 19. Plus 2 plus 2. X equals 21. What I want you guys to do is try this next one on your own. Okay, so we should mark it like this, mark it like this. The x's and y's make it easy. 4x minus 2 equals x plus 10. Add 2. So now have 4x equals x plus 12. Minus x, 3x equals 12, divide by 3, x equals 4. Okay, so x equals 4, I have to erase all this. And now we're going to find y. Y plus 5 equals 3y minus 1, plus 1 plus 1. Y plus 6 equals 3y. minus y, 6 equals 2y, divide by 2, y equals 3. Okay, I solved that pretty quickly. If you need to go back and look at it, hit rewind and go back again. And that is it.